So we're gonna give you some tips and tricks on how to use our hair serums. First of all, you wanna make sure that they're stored properly in a cool, dry place. If you have latanoprost in your serum, it must be kept at or below 75 degrees. I have a little mini fridge in my bathroom and I keep it in that. So it always has to be on the cap of your head like this. Don't put it on the sides, don't put it on the back. You want to put it in the front, around the hairline, and the cap. Picture like this cap on your head. That's where you want to put the serum. So I get it. I get my calibrated amount. Now what I do is I hold the dropper as close as I can to my scalp. I put it kind of at the back of the crown here, again, keeping it on the cap, and I move it around. And then I move my hair, because my hair will get caught in the dropper. It's just a good problem to have. We like that. And then I will get the dropper, and sometimes I have to pull it out, but I try to keep the dropper. Remember, the serum is going on your scalp. It needs to get to the follicle. It needs to be on the skin, not on the hair. And then I'll pick it up and then hairline, get it on the hairline. So I get a nice thick hairline. Then I get it, work it in, work it in, work it in. Oh, and of course, who doesn't love a head massage? And this massaging like this for this stimulation and blood flow is so good for hair growth. So take a minute, give yourself a nice little massage, and then you've got to wash your hands with soap after you use it, and you may want to comb your hair. So we hope that helps, and if you have any questions, we're here for you, and we know you're going to love your hair serum.